Welcome. If you're looking to share your Roblox trading and inventory with your friends and the people you follow, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make your trades and inventory visible to the people you choose. It's quick, simple, and you'll be done in just a few taps. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll be taken to a new menu with several options. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience and control who sees what on your profile. Next, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is all about your privacy and who can interact with you or see your information. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Trading and Inventory. This is the setting that controls who can view your trades and inventory items. Tap on Trading and Inventory and you'll see a few different options for who can see your items. To let your friends and the people you follow see your trading and inventory, simply select the option that says Friends and People I Follow. This means only your Roblox friends and the users you follow will be able to view your trading activity and inventory. Once you've made your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully updated your privacy settings. Now, your friends and the people you follow can see your trading and inventory, making it easier to connect, trade, and show off your awesome items. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and choose a different option. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading on Roblox.